Recently, someone asked me how to make a single subtask for each date found in the description of a ticket automatically. This is important to their workflow because they'll fill out a single story with multiple deliverables in it, and then they need a single subtask for each one. So to solve this, I opened up automations and built something out that lets them do this in a single click. Here we have a story in my Jira project, and I can see I have 3 deliverables in the description. All I'm going to do is go up to Actions, and select the automation that will generate a new subtask for each date in the description. And then I'll refresh the page to see if these subtasks were created. And here I can clearly see 3 subtasks, one for each date that's found in the description. Now the way it's set up, it will copy the entire description, but with a bit more work, we could have it pull out just the deliverable for the particular date that it's assigned to. So let's pop over to the automation and see what it looks like. This one is actually pretty small. First, it has a manual trigger. That's what I used on the issue itself when I went to Actions and then clicked on the name of it. Next, it's got a branch. Now this branch will cause it to evaluate the description, and every time it finds a date, it's going to run again. And once it finds that date, it creates a new subtask. So for this branch, I'm telling it to use a smart value. What it's going to do is run through the issue description and match a regex expression. Now, regular expressions are ways that we can define strings of text looking for patterns. In this case, I'm telling it to look for a date in between other text. So any number of numbers with a slash, then some numbers and a slash and some numbers. So 2024/05/1 would be an example of this match. If I go look at my description, I can see these all match that pattern, even though one of them only has 1 digit in the middle and others have 2. And this one only has 1 digit at the end. Now with some additional work, it could also match other date patterns, for example, month, day, year, or day, month, year. Once it finds a date, it then creates a new subtask. And I've told it to use the date variable, what it pulled out of the description, and then the word deliverable. And for now, it's just pulling in the issue that triggered its description. And this is why the description for each of the subtasks is identical to the parent. But again, with a little bit more work, we could pull out just the deliverable mentioned for the date. So there you have it, a very quick automation that allows you to quickly create subtasks based on dates found in the description field of a parent. This is just one way to use Jira automations, but is a great example of some way the system can help speed up our work. So if you liked it, please like it, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have questions about this or if you have some other ideas about how automations can make your life easier in Jira. Thanks for taking some time to learn with me, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next one of these soon.